Hey guys, it's Cam over at Derale. Today we're going to be taking a look at our 2007 to 2018 Jeep JK Direct Fit Power Steering Cooler Kit, which we're also going to be repurposing as a transmission cooler to fit this particular application we're working on. Just wanted to show you guys exactly how straightforward and simple these are to install, give you an idea of what you need if you're going into it yourself, and show you how it's done. So we're going to take a look at a couple pre-drilled holes we've already done, pre-made lines, and then the cooler installation itself, so we can take a look at it. So let's get going. So as you can see, we've already pre-drilled our mounting holes over here, and we also have our lines running ready to be plumbed in. So you're just going to take your cooler. You want to make sure you leave these 3 screws loose so you can adjust the bracket, get it level for when you set it on to mark your holes before you drill them. Since we've already done that, we're going to take our 2 bolts that come included with the kit, install those in place, and get the cooler secured. All right, next we're going to be installing our NPT to AN fitting into the cooler. You want to make sure you wrap the NPT portion with a form of thread sealer to prevent any leaks or drips after the cooler is installed and run. Once you have that sealer on, you're just going to take the fitting, thread it right into the cooler, and tighten it down until it's snug. All right, once the fitting is finger tight, you'll use a wrench, tighten it down into place until it's tight, and you move on, do the same thing on the other side. Now we're going to take our pre-made lines, we're going to connect that onto the cooler, tighten them down on both sides, and wrap up the install. As you can see, very straightforward, pretty simple. You're going to want to top off the fluid level, make sure you run the vehicle, check for any leaks or drips. If you have any questions about this application or a different one that is set up more for your vehicle, feel free to call our tech support line or check out our website, derale.com. We'll be able to help you out. Have fun out there.